some oranges are to be shared among a group of children. If each child gets 3 oranges, there will be 2 oranges left. If each child gets 4 oranges, there will be a shortage of 2 oranges. How many children are there in the group? First question. How many oranges were there? Second question. Now, this is an example of a double if question. As you can see, there's 2 ifs. Number 1 here, second one here. So what we do is we write down the 2 ifs scenarios. So scenario 1 is an excess of 2 oranges. Scenario 2 is a shortage of 2 oranges. And then we find what is known as the gap. Alright, if both are different, so 1 excess, 1 shortage, we have to add these numbers. So 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, so take note, if both are the same, excess, or shortage, then we have to do a subtraction. Okay, we do a minus. Next step, we find the difference. So difference will be in each of the scenario. What does each child get? What's the difference in that? First one is 3. Second one, each child get 4. So 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, that will be 1. And we can find the number of children. Divided by 1. Okay, this will be always the gap divided by the difference. That will be 4 children. Alright, so part A is done. Answer, 4 children. Part B. How many oranges were there? You can use either of the scenarios. Let's say you want to use scenario 1. Alright, so this will be each child getting 3 oranges. So 4 times 3. There will be 2 left. Right? So 12 plus 2. Answer for this question will be 14.